Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Like, let me know first, how are you all guys doing, like, in the comments. Okay, today I'm going to show my Nykaa haul. Again, this was the holy sale haul that happened past month. I guess almost 31st March mein ho gaya. It's April now, but I have got all the products like in installments. I get slowly, and then I collect some of like good amount of products to show you together, because I purchased like some 1-2 product here and there karke. So yeah, today is going to be a Nykaa haul. Here I'll just show you the box. This is the box and the products are right in here. बहुत ज़्यादा सामान नहीं है. There are mix of skin care, hair care, body care. I don't even remember. I've just dumped and kept it in the box. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe, hit just to just click the subscribe button, and you can follow my makeup page, that is Priyank Makeup, and here I do post a lot of my makeup work over there. By the way, this is the most glam that I've been today, because I don't do makeup on me much, but today I've done it. Yeah, I have done it. And also my own page, you can also check the box. I loved the fact that Nykaa has really gotten rid of their plastic packaging, and they have started the paper stuff. So they just pack their material, whatever you order in the paper thing, this is like that, and then they deliver to you. That's amazing. I guess that is one of the best revolution that they have done in their brand overall, because Nykaa is a very big company, and the amount of plastic which is gone in their whole, obviously overall everyday orders, is huge. So if they just if they have actually made themselves now to use paper, that's amazing. I got some MCaffeine products. So it was like a thing sale that if you buy any of their MCaffeine product, you will get some minis free. So I wanted to try some MCaffeine products. I have their some of their products and I love it, so I wanted to try more of their coffee range. So I got their coffee bathing soap. I was really taken off because of the soap size, the whole structure of the soap. So this is the box of the soap. I will show you the packaging inside, how the soap is in shape. It is literally like a coffee bean. How amazing is that? Like, that is an amazing idea, and very unique and amazing, authentic idea, I guess. And it literally smells like coffee. I have used it, and it is not that cleaning. Like when you use a soap on your body, the way you feel like oh, bahut saaf, clean feeling that you get. You don't get with this soap. It's like a luxury feel. You will love the fragrance. But this soap will not clean your body and will not give you that whole cleaning, cleaning experience, to be honest. So it's good in your shelf to just for show off. Maybe even the box is amazing. So it's very luxurious feel. It was not that expensive, something around, yeah, it was for $2.99 around MRP only I got it. But I got the free minis that I wanted to try. So it comes in this pouch, the minis. So I got their, I guess, the face wash of the coffee wala. Okay, so I got this face wash, coffee bean, raw, naked and raw coffee face wash. Then there is a scrub. By the way, I just lost the cap of it. I don't know where it went. And the mask. So I did use their face wash, scrub and mask. All of them are good, but they're not that up to the mark what I want. Like exfoliating mask just doesn't work for me. And so for me, whole this coffee range is something I feel it's a very much a gimmick. I just feel for myself it's really gimmick. It's good if you exfoliate your body with it as a scrub, but overall for your face, I don't much like it. So yeah, still I got the minis. I'm using it. Okay, let's talk about Derma Co products. So I got some Derma Co products. Again, it was having that sale there. So if you buy, so basically when you remove Nykaa app, if you go there on their offers, you will come to know which offers and what exactly they're offering you. Every single day they have some kind of offers going all the time. So in Derma Co, if you buy any 2 products, you are going to get a sunscreen free. And Derma Co ke sunscreen, I've heard so much good reviews, and I'm like a very big a very religious and big fan of using sunscreens every single day. That is how much I love, and I've seen a huge difference in my skin after being using consistently the sunscreen. So I'll talk about what products I got. So the foaming face wash, the AHA BHA foaming cleanser, I have used this in the past. One of my friend, she got it, and for her skin type was kind of sensitive, and the face wash didn't suit her. So she gave it to me, and I loved it. So it AHA BHA is an exfoliator, so it's going to exfoliate and remove all of that dead skin from your skin. It's very good. It's a mild exfoliator. It has the 3 main exfoliating ingredients, that is mandelic, glycolic and salicylic acid. Very good for acne prone oily skin. Amazing for summer season. It's great. It's really great. If you want me to do a whole dedicated review on this, let me know. But still, overall, I love this face wash. Okay. The second thing that I got, the product that I'm using now religiously, is the 10% lactic acid cream. So lactic acid is really good for acne marks, dullness on your skin, pigmentation. It's like very light and mild exfoliator, and that is how, actually the thing is, exfoliations and all the mask thing ingredients are very very important on your skincare. You have to really research on the brands and ingredients what you're using on your skin. Serums, moisturizers is something that you have to make sure that has packed of nutrients in it that is going to work on your skin. Okay, you just can't use any random moisturizer, any random serum, and you are going to not get any result on it. So you have to invest in a good serums and stuff. So for me, I have been using this from 10 days now. Proper review coming after 21 days. I have to still use this for 10 days. So I will not talk much about it. Till now, mixed reviews here. Not great, not bad, but somewhere in the middle right now. Let's I'm going to use this for couple of days now, and then going to share my whole review with you guys. And the free sunscreen that I got is like the one of their best seller, and a lot of YouTubers have talked that this is amazing. It's lightweight, it's like a primer, you don't feel like you're wearing a sunscreen. So it's the Pure Zinc matte sunscreen gel. It says it's a gel, but it's literally a cream formula. I'll show you. So as it says, it's a gel, but it's literally a cream, and it feels very very greasy on your skin. That's just what I feel. I don't know how to put it in words because I've used a lot of sunscreens, and one of like the all-time favorite of mine is the Neutrogena sunblock. I use that all the time, SPF 50. But 30 is something that you have to keep reapplying, so I don't feel that comfortable using 30 or like if I'm going out. But still, I got it free, and I'll if you want, I'll make a whole video on this for sure. So it's literally zinc oxide, that is literally the whole protection layer that you get from sun. It's SPF 30 PA++, and actual price of this is more than 500. But I got it free with that 2 products. So let's see. I'll make a whole review later on. Okay, one more thing that is one of the best skincare game that people talk about is derma rolling. So अगर आपको derma rolling के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है overall what it is, you can see a lot of videos on this and you'll come to know, because it's another different topic to talk about a lot. But still, it's a really good skincare tool to use, and I got this from the brand Bronson. It's also a very good brand on Nykaa. So this is how it looks. It was for sale, so I got it, and it's very good to punctuate your skin. And then when you apply your skincare after using this, your skincare actually just penetrates in your skin and really gives that amount of requirement that it needs. So again, you can watch a whole videos on this. derma rolling के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा videos, you can just Google it and you will come to know what exactly it is. As this is a haul, I can't talk. Otherwise, I keep talking a lot. Okay. Then got some products from Himalaya. Himalaya is also one of my favorite brand. I keep using some of their face washes and stuff because it's like holy grail since like teenage time. The Neem face wash is like one of the OGs. Like everyone have used it. Everyone has used it. Okay, so I got the Himalaya Oil Clear face wash. This face wash is very good. Again, has a lot of fragrance, and I hate fragrance in skincare. But as it's face wash, you're going to wash it off, so it's fine. But other than that, I feel skincare should not have much of fragrance because it really irritates. It really, migraines your head, and it's just whole fuck all stuff. But it's nice. Its face wash is good. It really removes your excessive oil, but also keeps like a good amount of moisture in your skin, so it's not that stripping on your skin. So I really like this face wash. Then got the Himalaya clarifying toner. So I don't use toners. I got this just to use before and after like my makeup and stuff. So just to remove like the upper layer and dead skin cells. I like this because it doesn't have alcohol. It's really good as then. It's kind of astringent toner, but it's nice. It's very very nice. The fragrance is also very fresh, not that irritating. Kind of that I don't like, but it's nice. It's बहुत अच्छा है. I've used this in the past a lot. And then Himalaya cleansing milk. This is also really nice. I use Garnier micellar water, but I also love my cleansing milks because I just feel that it's removing most of my makeup. I don't do makeup on a regular basis, guys. It's just during photos and making videos. I love to pamper myself some here and there. Other than that, I don't do much of the makeup. So cleansing milk is very good for all skin types. बहुत ज़्यादा recommended है. It says that it deeply cleanses and clarifies, doesn't do a lot. I have a whole dedicated review on this like way before on my channel. I will link that in the description so you can see a whole review on me. That is a very very helpful video. You can check that out. That video is like really most viewed on my channel. Okay, then also got my regular stuff that I get, the Nivea Fresh Deodorizer. So this is, I didn't even remove it from the packaging. Okay, so this is the fresh and natural, so it doesn't have any color. It's clear, it's zero alcohol, and it's nice. It says 48 hours, it doesn't do any of those, but it's nice. I feel fresh. बहुत अच्छा है. I don't like to wear much of perfume mist and all, just a roller and I'm done. So I love this product. And Garnier Micellar Water, necessity needed, one of my favorites. I get this all the time whenever it's sale. Whenever this is on sale, get it. Don't get it for its MRP. Get it for like 139 wala, and then you're sorted. Got 3 bleaches. Now these are the bleaches that I got. The Glow One VLCC ka gold. Then I got the Oxy bleach, Oxygen ka bleach, and then Oxy bleach, the actual Oxy bleach. So I give my clients also facials and stuff, so I need bleaches all the time. So these are the bleaches that I keep for my backup. So I have more of these bleaches, but I have to still keep a backup in case if I'm on run and I need to carry some small wala. So I take this, and these 3 are like one of the best. This gives a lot of glow. For me, I don't use bleach because I feel that my skin is very young right now to use bleach, but I didn't see any difference using bleach much on my skin. But a lot of people swear by bleaches. It's nice. Don't use it much because it's going to really affect your skin in the long run. Once a while, once in like 2-3 months is fine. Don't do over more than like weeks. It's very bad for your skin overall. Okay, so because then your skin really gets used to bleaches and you have to keep bleaching your skin all the time. Okay, and the last product is the whole VLCC manicure pedicure set. I got this in my past video also. Again, I reordered it because my work is like that my products get finished all the time, so I have to reorder all of them. It has scrub, cleanser, pack, and this cream, moisturizing cream, and then also has a cuticle oil. It's nice. Again, whenever it's on sale, get it, and it will last you for more than 10 to 12 usage. So if for your personal use, even if you're a beautician or makeup artist or whatever, if you need it, get this wala. It's nice. Okay. And okay, I have one more product. So I have the Gillette Satin Care for sensitive skin. So I do shave my legs. I don't wax now. I feel waxing just makes my skin more sensitive, and I just have left waxing now. It really will really sag your skin also. Like I have researched a lot on waxing also, and we don't have sugaring here yet, like in our local areas. So I think waxing for me doesn't suit. It just creates that bumps on my skin, and I don't prefer waxing now. So whenever I feel like I shave, otherwise I have hair on my hands, and I'm like totally fine with it. I don't get nervous with my hair on my body. It's fine for me. Anyway, so it's nice. It's a shaving gel. So for that lubrication on your body, you need to have that, and it's nice for that smoothness. Sorry, lubrication was the wrong word. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, that's it. This was all the product that I got. Not much, and I know I have talked like in just one take. That's how I just make my videos. Anyways, I hope that you like my video. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Do subscribe. That will mean a lot. We have crossed 600, soon to reach 1K. And yeah, you can follow my makeup page. Again, my page, everything will be linked in the description. All the products will be also linked in the description. I don't know if it's there on sale, but you can see, you can check it out. You can keep it in your wish list, and in further sales you can purchase it. Okay, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.